Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore clipboard productivity using Ditto History Manager. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Download Ditto from its official website. Install the software by following the on-screen instructions. Once the installation is complete, open Ditto. You will see a small icon appear in your system tray. Right-click the Ditto icon to open its context menu. Select options to configure the settings according to your preferences. In the General tab, check the box to start Ditto automatically with Windows. Explore the Keyboard Shortcuts tab to customize hotkeys for easy access. Using the keyboard shortcut, copy some text to your clipboard. Open Ditto again using the assigned hotkey. You will see the history of all your copied items. Select the item you want to paste. Press Enter or click on the selected item to paste it. Continue copying and pasting as needed. To delete any unwanted entries, select the item and right-click it. Choose Delete from the context menu. You can also filter your clipboard history by type of content. Explore the search bar to quickly locate specific items in your history. For added organization, you can create groups for different types of copied content. Utilize Ditto's syncing feature to share your clipboard history across multiple devices. Experiment with advanced settings to enhance your clipboard management. Now you can enjoy improved clipboard productivity with Ditto. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.